in Quest, there are 4 main classes: the Rocket Pyro, the Farmer, the Drunk, and the Butcher. Now, I'm not going to be getting into any details with any one particular, except for the Farmer. I'm going to be using the Farmer, but each class has its own abilities and its own strategies. Let's start the game, and you can cancel anytime you want. Kind of a quality of life thing. But after we fall down that hole, we go into this room. This is actually a checkpoint. You have to do the combination on the bone door. That happens. And we are met with our first enemy. Pretty strong. Okay. Each one of these chests, each time we reset the game, is completely not completely randomly generated, but I added a different loot table to these chests and other chests in this dungeon. So now we have the key. We can open up this door, but there's this gateway right here, which is kind of entrancing. I nope, that's the lava we saw from before. And you either die there, or other classes have abilities to survive fire. You can use that, or you can just have some food, be lucky. But basically, what it does is it's a way to secretly get up and go through a passageway. But in the meantime, I will just continue on. See, right here, there's actually a tripwire. Using the Farmer's shears, we can destroy it. What is that? Interesting. Destroy the tripwire. And then we can take care of these skeletons. Okay, now once the skeletons are gone, we can destroy this tripwire and grow this vine. We can go up to the secret area with this chest once again. It's summoned from a loot table. And already a pin, so I can change these pins on. This is a notch apple. And we can go down in this secret area. Take this sword and get some levels up here. Totem of Undying, so that when I get hit and die, I do not die. A hallway of doors. Let's open up the first door. An enemy. Ooh, that guy dropped a lot of loot. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Looks like a potion brewing area. You can actually brew some potions in here. There's a key. Take that key. But I'm not going to do that right now. I may get some bread though. But also in here there is a bleached book, and there was actually a beginning section which was really small, so it's not that big of a deal. But and for whatever reason it was glitching, maybe because I was on a different version of the game. Right there. But it just wasn't working. And so you get a normal book that's not bleached. And it has only 3 pages. Let's go in here first, actually. Eat some bread and take this potion of health. Once again, these are here. Like this. With that, bam, I just died. Used up that. These enemies are really strong. Over here, I do not actually have a pickaxe, but if I did, I would be able to find a secret little door. Not door, but little rat hole, basically, where a person lives. Added some flair, give it some lore, I think. Every time I open this chest, though, a zombie spawns. And I think I got everything valuable out of there. Okay, good. Okay. And this is a secret little thing. I actually have the key for this. It's nothing big. It's just, I guess, some more lore thing. It's an altar. Behind it is like another portal. It's a portal to the underworld, basically. I made this world in celebration of the Nether update. The update that okay. Oh. That added a lot to the underworld. That reminds me I should put on some armor actually. Okay. Seems to be all fitted up. And I should move on now. Okay. Dodge that. And there is an abyss over here. A lot of these a lot of this dungeon was inspired heavily on this one dungeon from Dungeons and Dragons. It's a famous one. I think it's the Tomb of Annihilation. Put this on here. It's basically a key. Now I gotta press this 100 times. But Tomb of Annihilation, I actually made it for an English class because we were reading Ready Player One. And in doing that, I made it in Minecraft, and I think it looked pretty cool. And I got a lot of inspiration for these doors and hallways and just random like secret passageways. Speaking of secret passageway, let's look at that right now. Actually, instead of telling you, I should show my secret passageway. So we go back here, right there, and then up here is just the lava pit. So yeah, there are a lot of different ways of going about this dungeon. And this is actually the final boss room. This is the door. And the fight begins. The deep guardian, he guards the depths. This is actually the final boss battle, the only boss battle, but also the final one for right now. I did in the past plan on adding more to this. I ended up not doing that. This is as far as I've gotten. And when you kill him, the depths open up. And you gather yourself and you plunge into the depths. And it's over. But besides the fact that it's over, I didn't really have an end screen. Which is shame on me. But this is the restart game potion. You drink this, everything restarts from the beginning. Everything is reset. Everything is perfect. And you just play again. Little parkour course I made for fun. But yeah. I had a lot of fun making this project. I just did it for fun. And it taught me a lot about command blocks, and it taught me a lot about data packs as well. I use a data pack to make the recall potion, and there's a lot of other experimentation. This isn't even all of the stuff. It's really scattered all around the map. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you another time. Goodbye.